Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, one thing about Meg G knew what he was doing when he hired Unota to be on that podcast. He knew what he was doing because when you look at it, Meg G Nonota, it's just the same person. Meg G Nonota are just the same, Sana. They are unfiltered. They say what they want to say without even considering other people's feelings. They don't care. They just say what they want to say. It can be a good thing and it can also be a bad thing. So now Unota is body shaming Ushandesh, guys. I am going to insert a video so that you guys can see for yourself, but they were having a conversation, Lapiana, on that podcast. And then Nota started saying things about Ushandesh, that she needs to lose weight. She can't be a performer with that body. She has money, so she can have access to a personal trainer. She needs to always stay in shape because she needs to use her body, when she is performing. So she can't be doing that. And his colleague there tried to stop him. Good to know, bruh, we don't do that. Like, we don't talk about that, about other people's bodies, especially women, because guys, we go through a lot as women. Hormonal changes, contraceptives now, sometimes they make you gain weight. Just look at this video, guys.
Shandesh has money now. She can pay a personal trainer. She has no right. No right. No right to be this shape.
You see now, we are not
No
doing
right
that.
whatsoever.
Now we're not doing that one.
No. We are doing this one.
Do it
because
alone.
you're a professional.
Do
You
it-
show up in shape. You don't show up fat like Rihanna, double chin. You show up in shape with a mean mug. This is serious. If you want to be a superstar, you have the superstar build, superstar body. You understand? How can they allow Shandesh to go into shape like that? Dog, I've got a sister too. I tell my sister she's fat. First time my sister came back from university, first year. When she came back from university, I was like, what? Who did you eat? The whole class. Like, you know what I mean? Like, damn. I tell my sister straight up. My sister gets in shape. My mother's 69. She does Pilates. You understand? My mother's in better shape than Shandesh is right now. Do you understand? Now, when we talk about artists dedicating themselves to their artistry, how they look is part of their image, is part of their brand.
So guys, as you have heard what Nota was saying, I don't know guys, please look at this video. Shandesh, is this out of shape? Because maybe we see things differently. People think you are in shape just because you are slender. You must be a slender for you to be considered to be in shape, because I don't see anything wrong with this body. And she still does performances and she is nailing them. She's not there just standing singing. She is still dancing during my performances. So I really don't see anything wrong with her body. And surprisingly, in the comment section on that video, Yaganota, where he was body shaming Ushandesh, telling her that she needs to exercise and all of that, there were people in the comment section that were agreeing with this, guys. People were saying, good to know, but she is really overweight or out of shape, things like that. Someone else said she's at a stage where taking fitness seriously makes sense. Likompo performances need energy, movement, and stamina, so there's nothing wrong with investing in that. You can't be running out of breath every single song performance. So I don't know, maybe she came and told them that she is running out of breath when she's performing, because she never said anything like that. you know I don't know why people think they're entitled to have opinions about other people's bodies, Sana. People are just in the comment section saying that Unata is right. From a professional point of view, this is not good. This and that. This is the same thing that they were doing to Unkosazana daughter. And what if Ukel liked her body like that? Now she went and lost all the weight so that she can be what people want, like Kuningi. Kuningi, and it's not fair.